Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Richie Rich. I hope everyone's having a great Saturday. And in this video, it's gonna be a quick video. I'm just gonna go over some of the lead capture pages and talk about our Freedom Takers group inside the Facebook group. So I'm in right now inside my Power Lead system, and I'm gonna take you inside some of the items you get inside the Power Lead system: lead capture page, campaign sales pages. And guys, this is something you don't have to reinvent the wheel. This is all given to you when you set up, when you get our codes inside the Freedom Groups Takers group. So what I'm gonna do is go to web pages here, my web pages, and you can see I have an array of pages you can work with. Like I said, some of these pages, guys, you're gonna get pages that look like this. There's tons of pages. Some pages that look like this. Let me refresh this so you can see what it looks like. And once you go here, if someone leaves, then say stop. So this is call to action. And this is a great page. This explains everything in terms of the comp plan, the front end sales, everything. You can see $20 goes up. Then the second sale goes to your team leader. Third sale goes to you, to your team leader, then you. Then you can see once you roll up 5 sales, every 5th sale rolls up. That's it. That's it, guys. That's all it takes. And you can see how the compensation plan is broken up. It's very easy to follow. So once you get this link, go through this compensation plan when you have some time. Watch the video. It breaks everything down. You get some sales pages. Very easy to use sales pages to grow. And guys, you get access to our Freedom Group. You can see right now we're at 3,636 members, and it's growing each and every day. We have unlimited trading. You can see this, how to get unlimited friend requests on Facebook, how to build leads. And, Amanda, she's built her business through Facebook, and it's going well. And, follow her lead. Great content here. So there's tons of things to follow when you join our group. So that's it, guys. And so this is Richie Rich here in Tampa. And you have any questions, click the link, guys. When you click the button below, get access. When you sign up for Power Lead System, you're going to see all what we have to offer, and I have other things I'm going to share with you in the future. All right, take care and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.